In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow Claude AI to generate memory from chat history in just a few simple steps. This is a useful feature if you want Claude to remember helpful context from your past conversations and use that information to give you more relevant responses over time. If you've ever wanted Claude to feel a little more personalized and consistent, this is exactly the setting you need. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Claude and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile name or profile icon there. Click on it to open the main menu. Once the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to Claude's account and preference options, where you can adjust features related to your experience. In the Settings menu, click on the Capabilities tab. This is where Claude keeps some of its more advanced feature controls, including options related to memory and personalization. After that, scroll down until you find the memory section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little farther to see it, so take your time and look carefully. When you find the memory section, you'll see an option labeled Generate Memory from Chat History. Turn that setting on. Once it's enabled, Claude will be able to generate memory based on your conversations, which can help it remember useful context for future chats. And that's it. You've now allowed Claude AI to generate memory from chat history. This is a great setting to turn on if you want a smarter, more personalized chat experience. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.